Welcome to letsbuildskill.com. This course is about SAP Basis Administration. People having 2 to 3 years of experience can also join the course, and freshers who are recently passed out or people who is having some other skills in IT IT corporate and wants to switch their career into SAP can also join this SAP Basis Administration course. In this course, we will concentrate on the administration activity of SAP. I will quickly walk you through the agenda of this course. In this course, we will discuss about the introduction to ERP, the evaluation history of SAP, how R2 came, then R3 came, and now we are into S4. We will discuss about SAP architecture in detail, and at the same time, we will see the architecture components in the system, meaning what are different types of SAP work processes, what is message server, what is ASCS, what is application server, what are the batch processes, update processes, all these things we will cover it in the system live. Apart from that, we will also cover different aspects, meaning different types of landscape of SAP, one system landscape, two system landscape, and three system landscape. When we say three system landscape, we will also discuss about development, quality, production, and in case if it is a multi-system landscape, we will discuss about how system looks like having development, quality, production, sandbox, and other test systems. We will cover in detail the implementation phases of SAP Basis Administration, meaning how we can go for the preparation of the project, what all things are required to finish before we start the installation and implementation of a SAP system, how to create a blueprint of SAP system, what are the requirements, what are the prerequisites required to start the SAP implementation. We will discuss about the details about SAP profiles, what are different types of profiles in R3 when system is in NetWeaver 7.4. So and what is the difference in profiles when system is on S4 or it is on NetWeaver 7.5. We will also try to cover in detail the security aspects of SAP Basis Administration. In the corporate, having multiple teams for SAP system, for administration of SAP system, security team will be different from the basis team, but in few companies, SAP basis consultant would be doing the security job as well. So we will also consider SAP security aspects, how you can create a user, how you can change the authorization of that particular user to perform some activities. We will try to understand it in details. Apart from that, daily operations related issues like how to monitor SAP background jobs, how to create SAP background jobs, how to analyze the issues, why the jobs got cancelled, what are the different maintenance jobs, all these things which comes under the operations part of SAP, we will try to cover. As a part of implementation of SAP basis, we need to have we need to create multiple clients in different systems. We will also understand what all different type of clients are there in SAP system, and we'll also cover how we can create, copy, and delete the clients. For operations and successful operations of SAP, as an administrator, we will cover spool administration, RFC administration, how you can create spool related jobs, or how you can create spool devices, output devices, and how you can troubleshoot different spool related issues. We will also cover the most important topic in any SAP system is transport management system. It is nothing but when you move the transport from your development system to quality and from quality to production, how the changes has been moved. We will try to understand what are different types of logs that comes with the transports, what are different types of transports, meaning what are workbench transports, what is customizing transports, and different logs included in that is A log, S log, and U log. What is the difference? between these logs. This is a this is the agenda that we are going to cover as a part of SAP Basis Administration course. We will also try to cover some interview questions which can help you to crack the interviews. In case you have any questions, you can write us to info@letsbuildskill.com. We will post our email address and contact address in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I expect you to join a demo session that will be scheduled soon, and we will let you know the dates of demo session. Post demo session, you may wish and join our full-time courses. We will ensure that we will provide you the live server access for practice, and all the demos and tech, all the function all the concepts that we will cover in this course will be covered on the system only. We will not go through just the books. We will also show you all the demos on the system live. Thank you.